Good lighting can instantly change the look and feel of your stream and make it look more professional, especially when it comes to lighting yourself. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Key Light Air by Elgato. I'm going to share everything you need to know about them so you can decide if they're right for you. Let's go ahead and dive in. So let's go ahead and start with what you get in the box. So in the box, you're going to get the Elgato Key Light Air. You're going to get the ball head mount. You're going to get the pole and the weighted base. And then, of course, you're going to get the power supply and the quick start guide. Now, putting it together is pretty simple. If you work from the bottom up, you can go ahead and get the pole connected to the base. Then you'll get the ball head mount attached to the key light. And then you can go ahead and connect the power supply. So let's go ahead and talk about the functionality. The pole is adjustable, so you can change the height as you see fit. And on the side of the pole, you're gonna see numbers that make it easy to be able to match the height evenly if you have an additional Key Light Air. Then the pole itself has a cut in the middle for cable management, allowing you to be able to tuck the cable to hide it. Now, it is a bit hard to get it in place, but once you do, it's not going anywhere. And then the base itself is pretty heavy, so you don't need to worry about it easily getting knocked over or falling over for any shaking of the desk. Then it has a power button on the back that allows you to turn the light on and off, but there aren't any controls on the back of the light to be able to adjust it. However, here in a few, I'm going to talk about how you can go ahead and change the light settings. So let's talk about the light itself. So the way Elgato built the light makes it so that no matter what brightness you have the light on, it's gentle on your eyes and it doesn't give off any heat. So Elgato does make adjusting the brightness and the color easy, and they do it kind of differently. So the Key Light Air connects wirelessly to your PC, your Mac, an Android device, or an iPhone. Now, one thing to keep in mind, and something that does need to be mentioned, is that you do need a 2.4 gigahertz network to get it connected wirelessly. Now, most internet providers offer a 5G or 2.4G connection, but double check this for your use case with your internet provider. So now, on your computer, you're going to be able to download the Control Center app that's going to allow you to be able to power your lights on and off, control the brightness and the colors. And it's the same app you would go ahead and download for your phone to make the same adjustments. Now, my favorite way to control the lights is using a Stream Deck, which with just a click of a button, I can turn them off and make adjustments quickly. Now, how you place the lights matters how they're going to look on your stream. And based on your setup and use case, this may vary, but I want to give you a good starting point if you only have one key light. So the best position would be to place the light in front of you, higher than your head, tilted at a 45-degree angle, and slightly to the left or right of your face. Now, if you have two Key Light Air, you want to place one on the left at a 45-degree angle and the other on the right at a 45-degree angle as well. Positioning the lights like this is going to be excellent for lighting yourself and a green screen if you use one. Now, using this as a starting point will give you a great start to make your video quality look amazing. But if you have good lighting and a lousy webcam or camera, you may not see the difference in your stream quality. So go ahead and click this video on the screen to see what budget webcam I recommend to level up the quality of your stream. I'll see you in the next video.